Bears, it's me, Miss Cochran. I hope you're doing well. I hope you enjoyed our story this week of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So today you guys are going to do an art project. You're going to read the story yourself. I will have the story below. And then I want you to draw your favorite animal or favorite character in this story and then add it to my bulletin board. So here it says, Old MacDonald had a farm. So whatever animal you thought was amazing, you can draw that animal. And then I really would love you to write the word of what animal it is. So the name of the animal. If it's a dog, you're going to write dog. If it's a cow, you're going to try to write the word cow. Remember, you can go back to the story and that will help you learn how to spell those words. You can look for those words in the story. Or you can ask your mom and dad to help you too, or your teacher. All right, I can't wait to see your beautiful illustrations. Again, enjoy this story. Thank you so much. Bye.